how to increase rally capacity in Dark War Survival. So, in Dark War Survival, increasing your rally capacity involves several buildings, research, and upgrades. So, first of all, key upgrade focus on like Alliance Plaza. So, this building boosts the size of rallies your alliance that it can launch. Also, upgrading the Alliance Plaza will increase the maximum number of troops that can join a rally. So better do that. Also, you can simply check out for heroes and then keep on upgrading the hero gears. That will basically increase the level, and then higher level and higher star heroes, better equipment and vehicle upgrades help maximize how many troops you can bring. Also, what you can do is keep on battling, and then once you battle, you'll be upgrading your level of heroes. That will also upgrade your capacity. Also, my military center increases your total military capacity, and then that will basically upgrade your troop capacity and by extension affects rally size. So you can do that basically. And then also what you can do is on the research hero and vehicle upgrades, research in the military or battle tree improves troop capacity and by extension affects rally size. Higher level and higher heroes better vehicle upgrades gives you more capacity. Also upgrade your military center, and then that part you can focus. Keep on upgrading the game alongside your watchtower. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you.